Do you know what fire is? How does fire appear? And why can water extinguish fire? Let's see together here. Next, it is common when a fire occurs, namely why can water extinguish fire? The main reason is because water is able to absorb large amounts of heat energy without experiencing a significant increase in temperature, so that when water is poured on the material undergoing a combustion reaction, it will cause the system to cool, namely a decrease in temperature and heat in the environment, which causes a decrease in energy, so that the combustion reaction cannot take place again. The next reason is the nature of water as a universal solvent, so that water is able to dissolve oxygen and reduce the oxygen concentration in the environment, so that there is not enough oxygen gas to continue the combustion process. Another reason is that solid materials that are poured with water will cause the material to be coated with water molecules, so that they cannot come into direct contact with oxygen gas, so that the combustion reaction cannot occur. However, we also need to know that extinguishing fires using water cannot be done in certain conditions such as electrical fires, because water is a good conductor of electricity, so that pouring water is the same as adding a conducting medium. The next condition is when this metal fire needs to be seen first, because there are several metals that can react violently with water such as sodium and potassium. And finally, when the fire is due to oil, water is less than optimal for use because oil has a smaller density than water, so the oil will be above the water, and the fire will still occur above the water that is poured. That's the discussion. Hopefully it's useful.